Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix error 0 in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, open the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once it opens, type the command ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. After that, close the window. Now, go back to the search bar and type Control Panel. Open it, then click on Network and Internet, followed by Network and Sharing Center. On the left panel, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your active Wi-Fi device and select Properties. In the list, scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties. In the Properties window, change the DNS settings from automatic to manual by selecting Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS server and 1.1.1 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK, then close and save all changes. So that's basically how you can fix error 0 in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.